Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss what is art. Introduction. Art as ever-evolving concept is interpreted in various ways by different scholars and critics. Two significant works that offer distinct perspectives on art are Ernest Gombrich's The Story of Art and Mike Ball's Reading Rembrandt Beyond the World Image Opposition. These books, despite their divergent approaches, provide a comprehensive basis for discussing what art is. Ernest Gombrich's perspective. No such thing as art. Gombrich opens the story of art with provocative assertion, there is no such thing as art. This statement serves multiple purposes. Preparation for variety. Gombrich prepares his readers for the diversity of art forms spanning from prehistoric times to the present. Contextual understanding. He emphasizes that many artworks were created for specific purposes and occasions, not as art to be displayed in museums. Avoiding preconceptions. Gombrich encourages readers to view art without preconceived notions about appearance or style. Art as historical context. Gombrich's narrative is not just a chronological account, but a story that highlights the intentions of artists and the social and cultural conditions of their times. He discusses how art evolves with societal changes and personal expressions of artists, using examples like Rembrandt's self-portraits to illustrate the depth and honesty in art. Distinguishing art. For Gombrich, art involves masterpieces by master artists, works that express deeply held values and visual harmony. Exclusion of popular art. Works reflecting passing trends are not included. Rejection of mockery. Art that mocks sincere works is excluded from serious discussion. Mike Ball's perspective. Beyond traditional art history. Ball's Reading Rembrandt challenges the traditional elitist view of art history exemplified by Gombrich. She argues for inclusion of popular art, recognizing the value of works outside the traditional canon. Interconnection of verbal and visual, exploring how reading and viewing interact in cultural experiences. Subjectivity in art history, emphasizing that historians' backgrounds and standards shape their interpretations. Cultural and social context. Ball examines how social contexts influence art and its reception. She deconstructs the idea of the master artist and highlights how contemporary issues shape our understanding of artworks. Her analysis of Rembrandt's self-portraits, for example, focus on their constructedness and the narratives they convey about the artist and society. Questioning masterpieces. Ball critiques the concept of masterpieces as definitive makers of art history. She argues that every artwork, regardless of its perceived importance, contributes to the broader cultural discourse. Convergence and divergence. While Gombrich and Ball starts for similar points, acknowledging the importance of context and the subjectivity of interpretation, their paths diverge significantly. Gombrich focuses on narrative that upholds traditional values of fine art, emphasizing harmony and deeply held values. Ball seeks to democratize art history, questioning traditional hierarchies and including a wider array of cultural artifacts. Conclusion. Both Gombrich and Ball provide valuable insights into what art is. Gombrich's structured narrative offers a foundation for understanding the evolution of fine art, while Ball's critical approach invites readers to reconsider the boundaries and inclusivity of art history. Together, their perspectives enrich our appreciation and understanding of art in its many forms. So this was the discussion on what is art. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, Goodbye and thank you.